the world's largest retailing furniture company has finally opened its doors for the first time ever in Oman. I'm very curious to see what they have, so I'm going there. And guess who else is coming with me? Well, you who is watching, you are coming with me to see what they have. So I will just book a taxi. So that we go. Okay, now I have found a driver. So in a few minutes the driver will be here.
A few moments later.
So the driver is here. So let's go. Okay guys, now I'm already on second floor. Inside, I will start by checking the bedroom set. Let's check the pieces together.